like it because I'm filming back to back today. We have Boxycharm by Ipsy in the Ipsy box. Yeah. Are you guys ready? Okay, so this is my PR box. And we have 5 full-size items. It's $28 a month plus that $1.99 handling fee. I have no idea what these things do. And yeah, I really have no clue what's in here. This is the box where you can choose 3 items out of the choices that Ipsy has for you. All right, let's see. What do we have? By Estate Cosmetics. I think we're seeing a lot of them lately. Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm. All right. It's in the shade Priority. Here it is here. Please don't be pink. Ooh, that's actually not bad. Okay. Don't like the smell. Don't smell it. All right, moving on. What is... Okay. This is heavy. Dew of the Gods Q, I guess? This here is Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. I do like getting these. I mean... Woo! That is some cucumber! Okay, I like that. Fresh stuff. That'll work. Alright. Next, what do we have? By Anastasia. Alright. It's a stick blush. Yep. I know it because it says it right here. I'm excited. Okay, but I don't always like... Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Oh, there's a little brush. Oh my gosh, I could not use this brush. There's just no way I could put blush on with like that. Let's ooh, that is pretty. Look. I don't know about cream brushes though. Okay. Sometimes they work good, sometimes they don't. This one doesn't feel real creamy. It feels like you'd be having a hard time kind of blending it. So yeah, you know, doing all that work with the makeup and then messing it up, I would not be happy. All right, by Murad, step 1, Cleanse Tone, Essential C Toner. All right. Here it is here. Got lots of toners. We just don't... Woo! That is very citrusy. Very citrusy. And the cap, it's just, it's like right there. There's no spray. All right. What's the last thing? Oh, I see something. What is this? Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadows by Violet Voss. All right. Let's open her. Hannah, you're panting. What's the matter, baby? Ooh, she's pretty. Ooh. What do you think of her? We got some shimmers and some mattes. We have 10 shadows. Very bubbly. Ooh, I like this. I'm not going to swatch it yet, though. I've got so many eyeshadow palettes open, and we've been getting a lot with these colors. It's like, do I want to swatch them? I don't know. Do you want me to swatch them? Let me know. I'll do it in a shorts. Let's recap. So we got the Murad Toner. We have the Blush Stick by Anastasia. We have by Estate Cosmetics their Most Wanted Lip Gloss. We have the Berries and Cream Dreams palette by Violet Voss. And then we have the Dew of the Gods Cucumber Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. Now, tell me what you think down in the comments. I don't remember if I even... Oh no, choices for Ipsy or tomorrow. I'm like, did we do choices this month? No, because it's only August 1st. Yeah. Mom life. See my shirt? I have mom brain right now. Kids just went back to school and I'm all kinds of crazy. So anyhow, let me know what you think of my box. I'll put totals and prices on the screen for you. If you have any questions, put them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you real soon in another one. Bye.